In this video, we will understand what inputs needs to be created while raising any tickets for GSGT Devops support. So, GSGT Devops teams works on DOP tickets. So, whenever creating tickets, it should be raised with the Jira project called DOP. Below given is the link for raising Jira tickets. So whenever once you log into the Jira, you can click on the create, then you will see the panel something like this. So the project which you need to choose is the DOP project. With this only, all the tickets will be visible under GSGD DevOps queue for the progress. And the issue type which needs to be raised is request. If any other request types, issue types selected, the ticket won't be visible in our queue and there will be delays. So make sure to raise ticket with the DOP and in the DOP and issue type as a request. Apart from this, there are various mandatory fields which needs to be input with the information. Puts appropriate summary so it will be understood for further picking. If it is an issue is specific to CM, just puts as a CM, so CM team will understand and progress the ticket. If the issue is for DBA, then just put as a DBA, so DBA will understand and pick the ticket and progress. So while providing the description, we most of the time see the input is not provided appropriately, and due to which tickets keep on flowing to and fro to the end users and to the DevOps teams. So make sure you are providing the appropriate inputs like customer name, for which customer this issue is being faced, version in which this issue is being faced. The GPP, the project team might be delivering for various releases, so make sure to provide the appropriate version name, the view or the branch name, scaled, freeze. Also specify that, provide the failed link. It might be a build, it might be installation, or it might be release delivery. So whatever the link is failed, provide that URL, so it will be easy for the DevOps to progress further. Also provide, if applicable, so also provide QA database name, QA schema name, the environment name, VM name or the IP name of the environment name if applicable. Also, whenever there is an issue, it is supposed to be analyzed on the first time by the QA and if possible along with the developer. So do the first hand analysis, whatever the issues, if you see, just make sure to provide the details further. Also at the end, input all the description with along with the error or all the details which you see possibly due to which the environment is up, not up, or the build is failed or the installation is failed. So this is the mandatory field in the description. Then once you provide the description, request type is also important. So you need to provide you need to select appropriate request type. So if there is an issue in installation or build has failed, so that kind of or environment is not coming up, there are various issues with the page is not coming up, so in that case those kind of issues would be troubleshooting. So if any other thing related to plant work or the installation, environment creation or the upgrade, all such works will come under various different request types. Right. So select appropriate request type. Then the next one is the important component which you need to select based on the project for which you are working. You need to select the appropriate internal product. Like if you're working for the GPPSP, so obviously it will be above 4.6.7. So select accordingly the internal category, or for all the classic legacy, select the required internal product. So these are the mandatory product which you need to select. So apart from the request type, there is one more component, important parameter like component, which you also need to select, like If it in the troubleshooting, if you selected product as a troubleshooting, or if you selected as a plant work database, maybe. So in that case, further you need to provide the select the appropriate drop down category. Like if there is a issue in troubleshooting and the issue is with the backup schema, so you need to select proper component. If issue is faced in maybe in the installation failure, or there might be build failure, so select appropriate inputs. There are around 30 different inputs. So once you select, then you can just click on the select all these parameters, just click on the create. With that, your ticket will be created. So I believe this will give you good insights and help you people and to us to reduce, minimize the ticket issues raised or happen issues happens during the ticket creation. Thank you.